My name's Matthew Miller. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Biochemistry and Biomedical Sciences, and also a member of the Michael G. DeGroote Institute for Infectious Disease Research and the McMaster Immunology Research Center. So the question I'm here to answer today is why we can't find a cure for the common cold, which is a very good question actually, because as most people know, we have vaccines that protect us against lots of different viruses, and we have antibiotics which help to cure us from bacterial infections. And so the answer to this is really not obvious or intuitive, I don't think. The trick with the common cold that makes it so difficult to cure is that the virus that we most typically associate with causing the common cold, which is called rhinovirus, is actually not just one virus, but a huge family of very diverse viruses that sort of co-circulate or exist together in nature, causing infections all of the time. And there's over 100 members of this family. So the ideal way to cure the common cold would be to design a vaccine which would protect us from getting it. The problem is that that vaccine would have to protect us against not one virus, but 100 different viruses. And that's where the real challenge lies. So there are sort of two ways that one might approach developing a vaccine to do that. One way would be to try to incorporate all of those 100 viruses in the vaccine. But as you can imagine, that's fairly impractical. Another way of doing this, though, would be to look for areas that are similar amongst all of those 100 viruses. Our immune system essentially works by recognizing shapes, and so if we can find the shape that's the same among all of those viruses, then we might be able to develop a vaccine which would protect us from all of them at once.